Hi friends, welcome to my session. Do you have a toddler or child who enjoys playing with bubbles but finds it really difficult to use a bubble wand? Are you looking for methods to enhance and develop your child's speech and language skills? Then this activity is for you. If you are watching my video for the first time, please click on the like and subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more interesting videos. For today's session, I will be working with a 3-year-old and we are going to show you a fantastic method you can use in helping your child enhance his bubble blowing skills. This method is usually learned when the child is between the ages of 2 and 3 years old, and is super easy to make with items you can randomly find in your homes. So the items we need for this activity are warm or distilled water, dishwashing soap, Glycerin, straw. Now let's get started. We start by pouring the warm or distilled water in a bowl. Then we add the dishwashing soap. Add the glycerin. Glycerin helps prevent evaporation and it makes the solution thicker. You can make use of sugar if you don't have glycerin at home. So now it's time to mix the bubble solution gently. Our bubble mix is ready. One good thing about this solution is that it works perfectly with a bubble wand. The next thing we do is to get a straw, make a hole with a pin at one end of the straw. This will help prevent your toddler from sucking the bubble solution. Now it's time for your child to blow the bubbles. So instead of using a bubble wand, your child will use a straw as the bubble blower. This is because children find it easier to blow bubbles with a blower than the traditional bubble wand. Bubble blowing is an activity that introduces your child to early science, where they get to know that the stronger they blow, the more bubbles they make. Bubble blowing is a delightful activity that keeps children busy, happy, and entertained. And it also helps them to learn in a simple and exciting way. Blowing is a fantastic way to help your child develop the muscles of the jaw and mouth, and it's used fairly often by therapists to help kids that drool, as it increases the muscle tone around the mouth. Research also found out that when a toddler has the ability to carry out complex mouth movements like bubble blowing, that child develops and acquires speech and language skills. Blowing exercise helps to position and strengthen your child's tongue for sounds produced at the back of their mouth. This activity can serve as a practical life activity where your child practices the act of washing. This will help your child develop skills like fine and gross motor skills, sensory processing skills, hand-eye coordination, and it will also strengthen the muscles in the fingers of your child. Please always remember that bubble blowing will help with your child's oral skills. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your session with your child. Bye.